Hi everyone, and welcome to BGCCC Network with your host Leo. And today we're going to be talking about all the wonderful stuff that is happening here around the Boys and Girls Club of Contra, Costa. Yes, you heard it, folks. All the wonderful things that are happening here. And let's start this off with one of my favorite people, Adam.
Thanks a lot, Leo. That was a great introduction. Do you guys like football, basketball, baseball, tons of different sports? Tune in every Monday at 3 o'clock.
Thank you, Adam. And now back to me, your favorite host, Leo, with leadership, with your favorite person, again, me, Leo. So for leadership, what are we gonna do in the leadership program? Well, on Tuesdays, if you join us, you're gonna be learning how to create different crafts that involve leadership skills. Sounds really fun. And also just how to take responsibility in becoming a leader and what that looks like. So if that sounds really appealing to you, you like arts and you want to become a leader, come and join my program, because I'm a leader, you're a leader, we're all leaders. And now with my other favorite friend, Jasper, who knows all about the games.
Hey there, everybody. It's Jasper with Boys and Girls Club. We have got some special news regarding Game Club, guys. We're actually moving it from Fridays over to Wednesday. So Wednesdays from 3 to 4, you can join us as we play all kinds of games. You know that here we're trying to figure out the best kind of games that you will think are super fun. So join us on Wednesdays from 3 to 4, and we're going to be having some fun. All right, back to you, Leo.
And now to our next segment with your favorite person, James the scientist.
Thank you, Leo. We're doing STEM every Thursday from 3 to 4, where we conduct different experiments and explore the scientific method. Join me every Thursday from 3 to 4 for the next experiment. Thank you. Back to Leo.
Okay, and now we're gonna pass it on to Malaya to see what's cooking.
Hey, it's Malaya here. Every week I'll be teaching you guys how to make a brand new recipe. And with the holidays coming up, I'll even be teaching you how to make a whole Thanksgiving meal. I'll see you every Friday. Bye.
Thank you, Malaya, for all that important information. Now to close it off here at BGCCC Network, I just want to say, if you really liked us and what we had to show y'all, come and join us. What a better way than to join our network, right? So if you're really interested and you're a Helms or a Crespi student, it's free for y'all. So why not join us and participate in the game club, leadership, cooking, and STEM. I almost forgot about STEM. And if you're interested in art, we're looking for students who are interested in participating for this amazing opportunity for a BLM mural. So if you have artistic skills or none, come and join us. Thank you so much, y'all. Stay tuned and keep a lookout for our link. And if you're interested, sign up. Bye.